तारु नाम लईने हूँ पोढ़ी जाऊं, तारु नाम लईने हूँ पोढ़ी जाऊं, तारा ध्यान माहूं मुझने तारी निकट पाऊं।
I was interested in mission work. I was interested more in seeing that I could work for the poor and doing the work of spreading the gospel message. And that is really what I came to Gujarat for, because I was impressed by what the fathers were doing in the Khera district. And it's precisely this desire that made me push the work of Gujarat in South Gujarat and also in the North Gujarat area. I feel very happy that this work has been a great success. The only advice I have said is, let's be truly men of prayer. Let's be people who have committed ourselves to poverty. Let's be people who have committed ourselves to work for justice. If we are truly men of prayer, truly men committed to poverty, truly men committed to justice, then I think we will truly work for the Church of Gujarat.
Really, he was a very beloved brother to us. But more especially, he was a deep friend of God, a friend of the Society of Jesus, a friend of the Adivasis, and a friend of every person he met in his life. Your presence here testifies to your relationship with him. There are two words which sum up our relationships with him and his relationship with all of you: celebration. For him, life was celebration. Beginning with his priesthood, he always puts his priesthood first. He has had many offices, many contacts with governments and other government people and others. But for him, Jesus was the first friend of his, and that friendship he extended to everybody else. So celebration. How many times we have laughed in the Jesuit presidency with his brothers. For him, life was joy because he could celebrate that life with others.
तारा प्रेम ना दरिया माँ क्या रे हूँ तनाऊं, तारी प्रीत ना वैण माँ क्या रे वै तो थाऊं, तारी प्रीत ना वैण माँ क्या रे वै तो थाऊं। तारु नाम लईने हूँ पोढ़ी जाऊं, तारु नाम लईने हूँ पोढ़ी जाऊं, तारा ध्यान माहूं मुझने तारी निकट पाऊं। तारु नाम लईने हूँ पोढ़ी जाऊं, तारु नाम लईने हूँ पोढ़ी जाऊं, तारा ध्यान माहूं मुझने तारी निकट पाऊं। पाप तणा बोझ थी हूँ क्या रे मुक्त थाऊं, व्याकुल मन ना भार थी त्राही त्राही जाऊं, आशीर्वाद तारो हूँ प्रभु क्या रे पामूं, आशीर्वाद तारो हूँ प्रभु क्या रे पामूं। तारु नाम लईने हूँ पोढ़ी जाऊं, तारु नाम लईने हूँ पोढ़ी जाऊं, तारा ध्यान माहूं मुझने तारी निकट पाऊं। तारु नाम लईने हूँ पोढ़ी जाऊं, તારું નામ લઈને હું પોઢી જાઉં તારા ધ્યાનમાં હું મુझने તારી નિકટ પાવું ઈસુ નામ લઈને હું પોઢી જાઉં